Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil. First, let's get organized. You'll need a few key items: a socket wrench, a new oil filter, and the correct type and amount of fresh engine oil. Don't forget an oil drain pan to catch the old oil and some safety gloves to keep your hands clean. Before you start, it's helpful to locate both the oil drain plug and the oil filter on your Hyundai Tucson. Knowing where they are will make the process much smoother. Now that you have your tools, let's get to work. It's a good idea to run your engine for a few minutes to warm up the oil. This helps it drain more easily. Once slightly warm, position your oil drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug, which is typically a 17mm bolt. Using your socket wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out and allow it to drain completely, which usually takes about 10 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Locate your old oil filter, which might be a canister type or a cartridge. Use an oil filter wrench if needed to unscrew it, and be prepared for a little more oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Then, pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the engine, typically around 4 to 5 quarts, using a funnel to prevent spills. After adding the new oil, replace the oil filler cap and run your engine for a few minutes. Then, turn it off and let the oil settle for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, and pull it out again to check the oil level. It should be between the minimum and maximum marks. Finally, inspect around the drain plug and the new oil filter for any leaks. If everything looks good, you're all set. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.